To perform a first setup on Honor X7D, first of all we'll need to power on our device, and you can do it simply by clicking on the power button, which is located right here. Click and hold it until your phone starts. In case that it doesn't boot up, then you might need to actually charge it. So just plug it in to the charger and then wait a few moments and try to do it while it's charging. After our device powered on, we'll be able to see the first setup screen, and first thing is to pick a language that you're going to use throughout the setup and for your device system as well. You can also enter reading aid to increase the accessibility for the setup. But in this case, we're going to go for the English and then click on Get Started. Here, pick a region. In this case, I'm going to go with Poland. Let's just go with United Kingdom. I didn't see the Poland right there. So anyway, we can continue the setup. Terms of use we need to select. I have carefully read and agreed to the above terms and click on continue. Now you'll be able to insert a SIM card for your phone. You can do it in the SIM tray right here on the bottom. If you want, I've made a tutorial on how to insert that SIM card. If you're interested, we can continue without the SIM card also. Then there's the option to connect our phone with the Wi-Fi network. It's also optional, you don't need to do it. So I'm gonna try to skip that. If you connect your phone to the internet from a card or Wi-Fi, then you will have additional options during setup, like logging into your Google account and a few other options as well. But then we can pick a time and adjust date and time. You can change it if you like. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Then there's the Google service. You can read through it and enable or disable a few options. And after that, click on accept. There's data and privacy that you can read also. You can set up device protection, the password for your phone, either with the PIN, the passcode, or you can also go for the pattern if you like. You can, after the password is done, you can set up face recognition and fingerprint ID as well. I'm gonna skip that. Then there's the enhanced services that you can enable or click on no thanks. There's a user experience improvement program that we can set up later or join instantly. Keep your software up to date, enable and continue. This will automatically update a software for your device that you can disable later. Next step is to pick the system navigation method. You can go for a gestures or 3 buttons. I'm gonna go for 3 buttons. And after that, our device is ready. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.